Here is a natural homemade cough syrup that is very effective in cleaning the lungs, especially the smoker's lungs. This will start to clean the lungs and you will see the effectiveness of it from 3 days. And this works so effectively. Thank you so much. I'm glad to have you back, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification for the next videos that are coming up. And if you really want to understand what I'm talking about, don't forget to translate this video by clicking on the CC or subtitle under this video. So to make this wonderful syrup, the first thing we are going to be needing here is lemon, and for the lemon I'm going to be washing the lemon with baking soda so as to remove all the pesticides and all the bacteria that have been on this lemon. You know, this has been in the market, touched by many people, so cleaning it up is something that you have to do, because this is something that is going straight into your syrup. So you have to get some slices of lemon. That is all you need, not too much, just few slices of lemon, and you cut and you set aside. And the next ingredient we are going to be needing here is ginger. For the ginger, this is the quantity of ginger I'm going to be needing. You need ginger because to stop smoking, or to make you to stop smoking, cleaning your lungs, you need ginger. Ginger helps eliminate secretions from the lungs. Ginger cleanses the bronchi and soothes smoking cough. Ginger also works very well against nausea, which often accompanies nicotine withdrawal. Therefore, if you decide to give up cigarette, use this spicy root on several occasions. If you feel nauseous, chew small piece of fresh ginger or drink 1 to 2 cups of tea. It works right away. And the next ingredient for this syrup is garlic. For the garlic, I'm using a whole head of garlic. What you have to do is to peel and remove the shell. In any way you can peel it. I have different ways I peel my garlic. It has been known since ancient times that garlic is used for natural cleansing of the lungs from mucus and accumulated toxins. It contains allicin, which prevents upper respiratory tract infections, and many studies confirm that allicin is effective for cleansing the lungs of smokers. This is why it is important to consume fresh garlic every day. It successfully fights persistent cough, reduces irritations in the throat, and frees the lungs from mucus faster. So this is the garlic. This is about 10 cloves of garlic. What you have to do is to crush it in any way. When you're not going to be cutting it or grating it, just crush it, and that is all that you have to do for the garlic. And you set it aside, and we are going to get the next ingredient. This syrup is packed with things that are very good in cleansing the lungs, making those mucus that making you to be coughing all the time. You cough them out and remove them out of your system. So we are going to be getting our next ingredient, which is onion. For the onion, I'm using 1 onion. You can use any color of onion, it does not really matter. What you have to do is to peel the onion and also cut it and add to the bowl. Onion has been known to clear lungs and stop the most annoying cough. Onions have anti-cancer properties and will protect you from the most severe respiratory diseases. So onion is a must in this recipe. So you cut the onion and you set aside. Any way you can cut it, it does not really matter. Just cut the onion, slice the onions the way you can slice it. And the next ingredient, which is very important in this, is turmeric. And we are going to be making use of turmeric and black pepper. So keep on watching. I will show you when and how to put the turmeric. So after that, you have to get a saucepan, and you're going to be adding 3 cups of water, and then you transfer all the prepared ingredients except the lemon. You have to keep the lemon aside, but you have to add other things to the saucepan, and then you have to cook this for about 10 minutes. When it starts boiling, this is the time you're going to be adding the turmeric. And the turmeric, the quantity you're going to be adding is 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. If you have the fresh one, you can use, but I'm using the powder one. After adding the turmeric, definitely you have to add black pepper or cayenne pepper. And for this, I'm using black pepper, whole black pepper. If you have grinded one, then you can use that. So I'm using this quantity of black pepper, then I'm putting that into the sauce pan. You have to cook. After you have added the turmeric, you have to cook for more 5 minutes. So put on the lid and cook for 5 more minutes. After the whole 10 minutes, you have to allow it to cool off. After it has cooled off, the next thing you have to do is to strain it. So this is what you have to do to separate and get the liquid. So after that, you transfer to a container and make sure that your container is nicely clean. Even if it means you soaking it in hot water or using baking soda to wash it, please do, because this is something that has to be clean. After that, then you have to add the slices of the lemon. After you added the slices of the lemon, you have to allow this to sit for about 2 to 3 hours so that the lemon will infuse into this syrup. And after this 3 to 4 hours, then you can take this syrup. And this syrup, the way you have to take it is you have to take 2 tablespoons of this syrup every morning on an empty stomach. So this is what I have come to share with you, my lovely people. If you really want to stop smoking, this is a very good syrup that will help you to quit smoking, and it's also going to help you to stop coughing. Thank you so much for watching. If you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends and families, and please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified for future videos, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye for now.